What is OUINO? OUINO Guide, the Building Blocks module. The Building Blocks module will teach you the structure of the language by showing you the words that connect everything together. At OUINO, we don't shy away from teaching complex language concepts. This module contains a lot of English narration to explain things that are not as simple as direct translations. It's like having a personal teacher with you at all times. You'll understand how everything works with clear explanations in a language you can understand. You'll learn rules and concepts that are absolutely critical to the language, such as the gender, asking questions, forming negations, etc. Most of the words you will learn in this module are among the 500 most frequently used words in the language. These important words can be a bit more difficult to learn, but going through this module is a huge language learning shortcut. We'll provide great explanations, lots of example sentences to provide some context, and plenty of practice to master what you learn. The Building Blocks lessons. When you first open a lesson, you'll often see a point for menu with an intro narration to the lesson. This initial narration is only there when we felt the need to explain the content of the lesson before getting started. This module has been tailored specifically for each language. You'll discover what makes each language unique. You can easily navigate to where you want to go. You can repeat the explanations and examples as much as you need. Take your time with these lessons. You'll learn fewer words per lesson than in the vocabulary module, but the importance of these words is paramount. You'll notice that some lessons are marked with a yellow warning icon in the menu. These advanced lessons should be taken after you have reached a certain level in the language. It's important to note that something which may not make any sense to you as a beginner will become much easier to understand as you get familiar with the language. The Building Blocks exercises. A few lessons have their own exercises, but many lessons in this module are grouped and have a combined exercise. The lessons with combined exercises are numbered and clearly identified in the Building Blocks menu. Before taking a category exercise, you'll get a warning message letting you know that you need to take a few lessons before taking this challenge. Here's a quick overview of the 3 levels of exercises in the Building Blocks module. Level 1, Writing Boost. This level is a combination of a multiple choice and a written fill-in-the-blank question. You'll have a list of possible answers under the picture for the missing word in the sentence. Simply choose which word you think is the right word to complete the sentence and type it in the answer box. Level 2, Write a word. This is the same concept, but the choices are gone. Type in the correct answer in the text box by using the hints. Take your time, there's no time limit. Level 3, Fluency Sprint. After taking the first 2 levels, you should be ready for this one. Answer before the time runs out without using any hints. It is difficult and a bit nerve-wracking, but it will prepare you for the real world. If you can get the Fluency Award in this exercise, you really know your stuff. Making your way up these exercises will reinforce the words by creating some repetition and building upon the different levels. But as you can see, these exercises are very similar. If you feel comfortable going straight to the Fluency Sprint, go right ahead. Grammar is something that's often neglected in most language learning apps. But as a learner, grammar shouldn't be overlooked. We believe that grammar, when used in a productive way, is essential to really understand how a new language works. In the next video, we'll talk about the OUINO Conversation module, where you'll see several examples of everyday dialogue. Stay tuned.